Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best mini silicone cups are probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen gadgets you can add to your arsenal, offering a reusable and eco-friendly alternative to disposable options for everything from baking and freezing to portion control and crafting, making them an indispensable tool for home cooks, bakers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Amazon Basics Reusable Silicone Baking Cups, 24-pack. Introducing a smarter way to bake. These reusable cups make your baking experience easier and more enjoyable, fitting perfectly into any standard muffin pan. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, they are designed for repeated use. You can feel good about using them for all your baking needs, time after time. Say goodbye to sticking and greasing. Their flexible, non-stick surface ensures your baked goods release effortlessly, saving you time and effort. From oven to microwave to freezer, these cups handle it all. They are safe for use in ovens up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, making them incredibly versatile. Cleaning up is a breeze. Even stubborn messes slide right off with minimal soap, and they are completely dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. Add a splash of color to your baking. This 24-pack comes in assorted vibrant colors, perfect for cupcakes, muffins, or even as fun snack cups. What we like? These are perfect for all your baking needs. They are incredibly easy to use and clean up is a breeze. If you love baking and want to simplify your process, you should consider these. What people say. The silicone cups are very durable and hold their shape well. These cups are perfect for portion control and are easy to clean. The non-stick surface makes them incredibly easy to use and wash. Number 4. Olababy Silicone Training Cup with Straw Lid. Your baby's safety is our top priority. This cup is crafted from high-purity silicone, free from harmful chemicals like BPA, PVC, lead, and phthalates. Its soft material is gentle on developing gums and teeth. Perfect for babies aged 6 to 18 months, this cup grows with your child. It can be used as an open cup or with the straw lid, helping them learn to drink independently and reducing spills. Created with pediatric feeding experts, its wide, weighted base ensures stability and prevents tipping. The non-slip surface is easy for tiny hands to grip, encouraging a smooth transition from bottles. The innovative see-through design allows your baby to see the contents, easing any anxiety about drinking. Clear measurement markings also help with portion control and mixing. This set includes the cup, a silicone straw and lid, and a straw brush. It's safe for all temperatures, easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher, and even microwave and freezer safe. What we like? This is designed for little ones learning to drink independently. The weighted base helps prevent spills, and the straw makes it easy for them to sip. If you have a baby or toddler transitioning from a bottle, this is a great option. What people say. The silicone cups are very easy to clean. These cups are perfect for portion control and travel. They are made of good quality silicone and are very durable. Number 3. EZPZ Mini Cup Plus Straw Training System, Blue. Introducing a thoughtfully designed training system that helps older babies and toddlers learn to drink from an open cup and safely use a straw. It's designed to support their developmental journey. This innovative cup and straw system is designed and tested by a pediatric feeding specialist to ensure your child meets milestones safely and effectively. It's made to help them succeed with new drinking skills. Learning to drink from a straw is a key developmental milestone. It helps with lip rounding, swallowing, and speech development, offering a great alternative to sippy cups. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, it's free from harmful chemicals like BPA and phthalates. The soft material is gentle on developing gums and teeth. Suitable for introduction at 9 months or when your child is ready, this system is dishwasher safe. It's also safe for use with a variety of food and liquid temperatures. Featuring a weighted base for topple resistance and sensory bumps to guide little lips, it makes learning to drink easier and less messy. The straw is designed for easy introduction. What we like? This system is built to help older babies and toddlers master both open cup and straw drinking. The unique straw design guides their lips, and the weighted base adds stability. If you're looking to encourage crucial developmental milestones in your child's drinking habits, this is the one for you. What people say. These are great for holding small amounts of paint or glue. The silicone material makes them easy to clean and reuse. They are perfect for crafting projects where you need to mix small quantities of different colors. Number 2. Olababy First Cup Blueberry. Your baby's safety is our top priority. This cup is crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, free from harmful chemicals. Its soft material is gentle on developing gums and teeth, fostering independence. The unique slanted design offers a clear view of the liquid, reducing spills. This promotes a natural drinking motion, helping little ones learn to drink from an open cup. Easily monitor intake with precise measurements, preventing overfeeding. It's also perfect for administering medicine accurately for all ages. The weighted, non-slip base ensures stability and prevents messes. Its easy-to-grip surface helps tiny hands guide it to their mouth successfully. This cup is safe for all liquids and solids, and can be used with cold or warm temperatures. Cleaning is a breeze, either by hand or in the dishwasher. Feel confident using it in the microwave, freezer, or even heating it up to 220 degrees Celsius. It's designed for ultimate convenience and safety. What we like. This cup offers enhanced visual clarity so your baby can see the liquid inside, reducing anxiety. Its unique slanted design and weighted base promote natural drinking motions and stability. If you need a cup that doubles as a precise medicine dispenser and aids in learning to drink, this is an excellent choice. What people say. These are great for portion control. They are easy to clean and store. The silicone material is flexible and durable. Number 1. AUEAR 10-pack silicone mold cup dispenser. Elevate your DIY jewelry making with these essential silicone mold cups. They are perfect for all your resin craft needs. Featuring a convenient tip nozzle design with cup ears, these dispensers make measuring, pouring, and mixing a breeze. They are designed for ease of use and precision. The high grade of transparency allows for precise measurements and easy monitoring of your mixtures. You can see exactly what you're doing. These are perfect for mixing small batches of casting resin, paint, acrylic, stain, or any other DIY projects. Their versatility makes them a must-have tool. Made from high-quality silicone, they are incredibly flexible and easy to clean. They are designed to be durable and not easily deformed, ensuring long-lasting use. With 10 pieces included, you'll have plenty to meet all your DIY needs. Get ready to create with confidence and ease. What we like. These are ideal for your creative projects. The precise nozzle allows for accurate pouring and mixing of small batches. If you're into DIY crafts like resin art or painting and need reliable mixing cups, these are a must-have. What people say. These are perfect for portion control, especially for snacks like nuts or candies. The silicone material makes them easy to clean and they are quite durable. They are a great size for small treats or even for holding craft supplies like beads. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.